folks like myself, you, Excel, and other people who use spreadsheets and day-to-day tools for business, there's something very immediately available. You see, you can use Excel plugins and copilots. Just you have to download and combine the two tools and go to the next level of analysis presentation without much effort. You can automate a lot of processes. You don't have to learn. Nowadays we used to create algorithms within SAP, within Excel. I mean, now you can create many things. I just had a quick example to share. Excuse me. You can do it today. Just use ChatGPT, which I create an example here for everybody to see. It's simple sales data, and I'm asking ChatGPT to create a forecast for me based on this history. So this is history. And guys, the key is in creating the prompt. The prompt should be crafted in such a way that ChatGPT or any AI tool is basically a machine itself, right? No matter how smart it is, it's a machine. So the smarter the question is, the smarter the answer will be and more specific. So this is an example of this question. I wanted to give me a 3-month projection of sales forecast based on past history. Very simple model, just to explain the concept to you and how you work it. So I create my query and prompt very cleverly, being very specific, not diversifying, and then I get the response, right? And it tells me how it got to the response based on my request. The forecast, the history, I gave it to it, and then developed a forecast for me based on these parameters. And I told them the assumptions. So this is very simple tool. You can you start using it and make it and keep building on it. Once you have a model, of course, you keep building on it. And then we have, sorry, different scenario-based requirements, requests. To be struggling with multiple formulas in the scenario, you can use the Copilot to create scenarios for you, get the answer that are reliable, and then check them. Dashboards. So they are the tools for us to use today. The future is here. It has arrived. It is in your reach. It's on your desktop. So beyond imagining and being concerned, just jump into it and start using it at the simplest level that you can today and start building on it. That's how we learn technology, right? That's how we learn Word. That's how we learn Excel. That's how we learn to use smartphones.